Hi, in this video we will going to talk a very simple topic, that is arithmetic mean. So first of all we have a formula. Arithmetic mean, which is denoted by x bar, is equal to sum of all the observation divided by total number of observation. It's very simple. We have an observation 1, 3, 8, 12 and 16. We just sum up all these observation, 1 plus 3 plus 8 plus 12 plus 16, and divided by just 5, because we have the number of observation 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. The sum of all the observation is 40 and the total number of observation is 5. Now simply we can cut 5 and 8. So we get answer. The arithmetic mean of the observation is 8. Next topic we have is geometric mean. Now it is really simple to find geometric mean. We have a formula nth root x1, x2, x3 up to xn. Now we have in two terms where n equal to the total number of observation, and x1 the product of number of observation. We simply put the values in the formula. First of all we have nth, which is equal to 6, because we have 6 number of observation, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And the x value we have put x1 which is equal to 1, x2 which is equal to 3, x3 which is equal to 4, up to so on. We have x6 which is equal to 8. Now by simply multiplying these terms we get 2880. Now by using calculator you can easily take nth root of this number. So we will take nth root of the number. So to take 6th root we can press first 6, then press shift, then press this button and put the value to 880, which is our answer is 3.772. Let's move to the next topic, which is harmonic mean. For harmonic mean we have a formula n divided by summation of reciprocal of x. Now n, which is equal to total number of observation, and summation. First of all we have the value of x, which is 1, 2, 4, 8. We just reciprocal this value. Reciprocal is 1 over 1, 1 over 2, 1 over 4 and 1 over 8. By dividing these we can get the values, and by summing all this value we get an answer with summation of reciprocal of x, which is equal to 1.875. Now by putting the value in the formula, which is the harmonic mean equal to total number of observation we have is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So total number of observation we have is 4, and the summation of reciprocal of x, which is equal to 1.875, by dividing 4 to 1.875 we get an answer which is equal to 2.133.
Subscribe to my channel.